Hey, this is Tim with Expert Power Wash in Portland, and today I'm just doing some stuff around the shop. Had somebody reschedule, so it gave me an opportunity to actually get this crimper up and going. I've been sitting on this for about a month and wanting to get this thing going. But I just crimped this hose, so I had a blowout of some extra hose and decided to make it just training hose. So I'll show you how to actually crimp your own fittings with a crimping machine. This here is a Dayco 105. I have all the dies over there, and let me show you here. We have this hose down here. I've already cut it off. I have a cut saw over there. Here's the blowout. You guys probably see this often. Usually what I'll do is I'll repair my hoses one time, and after that I'll just either make them whip lines or just toss them. But this is just a section of hose just to kind of play around with. I'm going to get a fitting, 3/8 fitting. What you want to do here is we're going to measure this. So we want to measure the depth to make sure that we get it in all the way. So a Sharpie here, and I'm just going to put a black line on here. Not sure if that's showing up in the camera, but I'll show you here. I got a black line right here. That's about the depth of the fitting. Take off the plastic piece. What we're going to do is we're going to slide this all the way in. So you see how it covered up the black line? That means it's in all the way. And then when I insert this into the machine, I want to leave about 1/4 of an inch, 1/8 of an inch or so, to where it'll bubble. This kind of tapers up, and it'll make a nice crimped fitting on here. So let's go ahead and get this thing crimped. Always double check your fitting that it, when you inserted it in here, because it's kind of loose, that it didn't pop up. Get it exactly where I want it, and then I'll go ahead and start the crimping machine. Look at that. You can always check your measurements here to make sure that it measured out where you want it to be. Get this thing set up right. And I would tell you what these measurements are, but every hose is going to be different. Whether it's 1 wire, 2 wire, depending on the manufacturer. This is kind of like a medium 1 wire here. Obviously 2 wire is going to be a little bit thicker, but figure out where it needs to be, get your measurements, and then you'll have a perfectly crimped hose. You can do this right in your shop, or run down to the hose store, whatever works best for you. But figured I would show you a neat little thing I got in my shop, and this will save me some time. All right, guys, you got questions, comments, leave them down below. Hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in a later video.